at home. I have to like put it in a bag under the bed. But talking of Coney Island, there's a fantastic song that goes like this. Went over to the USA. I only went to take it in a day. I did a telly, I did a gig, I did a radio, and then I said I've really got to go. But on my way back to the aeroplane, I stopped off at Coney Island in the rain. Devil said, hey, it won't be here for long. I said, it will, you know, I'll save it with a song. I'll save the great big thing behind me head. I'll save the great big thing behind me head. I'll single-handedly save Coney Island. Yes, I'll save it, I'll save it, I'll save it. No, I'm not doing any more of that at the moment, because that's being pressed up as a special record for me to single-handedly save Coney Island. Right, where's little Frank? Hold on, here he comes. Here's little Frank! Why wasn't I out?